Salamat at nakarating kayo at I know that there are many things going on. I have to say that I was a little concerned nung briefing doon sa amin, sa Congress in Manila, ng tungkol nga sa rehabilitation and reconstruction ng Yolanda-struck areas. It was disappointing to hear that there's still no overall rehabilitation plan. And nakakapagtaka na it has been 7 months already and still there has been no rehabilitation plan. What the government tells us is that they are still waiting for the needs assessment of the LGUs. Right now, it is clear that the rehab and reconstruction of the Yolanda affected areas is still being spearheaded by foreign donations, foreign relief agencies, and in the corporations from Philippine corporations, all on the private sector side and on the NGO side. But we are still waiting for the massive assistance that we have been promised. I remember that in the last October na ipasok namin between Congressman Romualdez and myself, he in the House, ako naman sa Senado, ay nakapag-appropriate kami ng there was an additional first 80 billion rehab fund, tapos nakadagdag pa hanggang umabot ng 120 billion. I read in the newspaper today that Secretary Abad has announced that 32.8 billion ata ang na-release na daw. So we are hoping that ito'y maramdaman na on the ground, na idaan na nga sa LGU at saka yung sa SUCs, sa ating mga eskwelahan. As a message to all my kababayans around the Visayas areas, the Waray-Waray, that do not think that because 7 months has passed that we have forgotten you. We have not forgotten you. We are continuing to work, we are continuing to do everything that we can to bring some relief to the situations that we have found ourselves in after Yolanda came and went.